This morning, the return home for millions of Americans who traveled for the holiday weekend, gathering at beaches on Labor Day and packing into football stadiums. The number of people screened at U.S. airports Friday and Saturday roughly matched 2019 pre-pandemic levels, more than 3.5 million. But less people returned home on Sunday than 2 years ago, signaling longer stays. With nearly half of the population, 47%, not fully vaccinated, some experts this morning are concerned all of the travel could lead to yet another COVID surge.
I am expecting a bump. I'm hoping we're not going to see a major spike. But after every single holiday, we have seen a bump in infections and hospitalizations and deaths.
Dr. Anthony Fauci saying Sunday some hospitals are perilously close to full occupancy. Catherine Sherman is an ICU nurse in Nashville and says her hospital has come very close to running out of ventilators.
Figuring out who's going to get an open ICU bed has essentially been a game of human Tetris.
In Texas, state health officials saying nearly a dozen counties, including Austin, have reported 0 staffed ICU beds available. And the issues extend to schools, too. At least 45 school districts in Texas have already had to go to remote learning because of that rise in COVID cases. The state reporting nearly 52,000 cases among students since the school year began. As millions of kids return to school this week, tensions erupting at one Arizona school over COVID protocols.
I am going to be pressing charges, and I am going to have both of your staff arrested, and you arrested as well.
A father and 2 other men, one carrying zip ties, confronting a principal in her office, threatening to make a citizen's arrest after a child was told to quarantine. The district says it has copied the live streams and is weighing legal action.
I felt violated that they were in my office claiming that I was breaking the law and that they were going to arrest me in these military-grade large zip ties, that they were these large men in my office. Two of the men weren't parents at our school. And so I felt threatened.
And overnight, that father sent us a statement saying in part this: everything that the school is reporting is either false or twisted, and they are making me out to be the aggressor. He was arrested and later released, charged with trespassing. Gio Benitez, ABC News, Newark International Airport.